In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SEO optimize GoHighLevel websites. We'll walk through the exact settings inside GoHighLevel so your pages are easier for search engines to understand and more appealing when they show up in search results or on social media. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is usually the main dashboard you see when you first log in. From here, look for the option labeled Sites in the main navigation and click on it. Once you're inside Sites, choose Websites. This will display a list of all the websites you've created in your account. Now, pick the website you want to optimize. Click on that website and you'll see all the individual pages that belong to it. Choose one page you want to work on and click Edit to open the page builder. Inside the page builder, look at the top left horizontal bar for the SEO Metadata icon. Go ahead and click that. A panel will open with all your SEO settings. At the very top of this panel, you'll see an SEO preview. This shows you how your page title and description are likely to look in search results, so keep an eye on it as you make changes. Next, select the content section in this SEO panel. Here, click into the meta title field and type in a clear, keyword-rich title that accurately describes the page. Aim for something that's readable to humans but also includes the main search phrase you want to rank for. Just below that, click into the meta description field and add a short, compelling summary of the page. Use natural language, include your key phrase, and try to give people a reason to click through. Then move over to the keywords section. Click into the keywords field and add a few focused keywords or key phrases that are relevant to the content of this page. Avoid long lists. Prioritize the most important terms. Next, go to the author section and add the author name for this page. This can help with credibility and clarity, especially for blog-style content. After that, open the social image section. Click the icon to upload an image or paste a URL for an image you want to use. This image will appear when your page is shared on social platforms, so choose something clear and on-brand. Now, click on Links and Tags. Here you can add any custom meta tags or canonical links you need. Canonical links are useful if similar versions of your content exist elsewhere and you want to indicate the preferred source page to search engines. Then go to the language section and set or adjust the language for the page if necessary. This helps search engines understand the primary language your content is written in. Once all your fields are complete and you're happy with the SEO preview, scroll down and click Update SEO Meta. This saves all your changes and applies them to the page. Repeat this process for each important page on your GoHighLevel website and you'll have a solid SEO foundation set up across your site.